Bullish SPEL token, SPEL, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.002174 and $0.004107 by 2030. Market investigators accept SPEL could reach $0.001691 by 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000387. SPEL token, SPEL, presentation SPEL token, SPEL, is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin $MIM, Enchantment Web Cash. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi, decentralized money, space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like AV, since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Sushi and different bend-raised tokens as security. Abracadabra likewise offers yield-cultivating valuable open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier, LP, tokens to cultivate SPEL tokens. The undertaking was established by Danielle Sesta, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money, decentralized market creator, and Wonderland, Olympusdao fork, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are Zeros Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and by and large recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Furthermore, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this article is to give you an exhaustive value expectation of SPEL token, SPEL, from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some benefit to its clients. Then, we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of SPEL token in the environment. SPEL token is the stage's local money in light of the Ethereum blockchain. However, a lot higher in amount than MIM, these coins are really tracked down less regularly available for use. This is on the grounds that they are to a great extent utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes with respect to changes on the responsible stage's overhauls. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with ordinary stake holding, the more capital they promise, the more noteworthy their say in proposed changes to that stage's configuration. SPEL tokens likewise permit their holders a choice to procure automated revenue by marking the genuine tokens themselves also. SPEL patrons are given MIM in return for their contributed tokens, which can likewise be utilized themselves, in danger of losing their SPEL. SPEL givers likewise acquire occasionally from exchanging charges made on Abracadabra's foundation when they stake SPEL. As referenced in the tokenomics, these profit are appropriated by means of SPEL. SPEL token is presently worth $0.000483 United States dollars. SPEL has moved 0.66% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,549,625. SPEL token is presently positioned 428 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $51,651,496 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token, SPEL, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous SPEL token, SPEL, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2023 SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, SPEL. The SPEL cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.000725. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.000676 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000580. Spell token, spell, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, spell token spell cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of spell will before long outperform $0.001208. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the spell's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, spell will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000966 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.001063. Spell token, spell, value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.001691 and spell might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Spell is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.001546 and a low of $0.001449 in 2025. Spell token, spell, value expectation 2026. Assuming spell token effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, spell will be green in 2026. The spell is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.002174 with a base cost of $0.001933 and a typical cost of $0.002029. Spell token, spell, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.002512 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.002416 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, spell has a greatest value worth of $0.002657. Spell token, spell, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.002995. On the off chance that spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.003140. Neglecting to accumulate the help spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.002899. Spell token, spell, value forecast 2029. While spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.003382 and a yearly cost close above $0.003623 in 2029. Spell token, spell,